I test sports audio gadgets for a living, but every now and then a product comes along that genuinely surprises me. The OpenRock X did exactly that. From the moment I unboxed them, I had the feeling this was not just another pair of open-ear earbuds. After several weeks of testing, running, cycling, gym training, hiking, and even commuting, I can confidently say the OpenRock X redefines what open-ear audio should feel and sound like. When I first unboxed the OpenRock X, I didn't expect them to change the way I listen to music during workouts, commutes, and even long working sessions. But they absolutely did. Upon breaking the seal of the environmentally conscious packaging, I was immediately greeted by a sense of refined craftsmanship, particularly when lifting out the substantial, metallic charging case that houses the earbuds with a satisfying magnetic click, signaling a sophisticated departure from typical plastic audio gear. The premium experience continued as I explored the meticulously organized lower compartment to find the essential accessories, including a sturdy carabiner ring and charging cable, all complementing the innovative OpenRock X earbuds that feature a unique dual-axis adjustable hinge designed to provide a customized, pressure-free fit for any intensity of workout. If you want an earbud that keeps you aware of your surroundings without sacrificing sound quality, this is the one. If you want comfort without in-ear pressure, this is the one. And if you simply want the best open-ear bass experience in its class, this is definitely the one. Amazing value for money, outstanding performance, and arguably the new benchmark for open-ear sports audio.